In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a Google Maps location to your Figma design using a Maps plugin. Start by opening your Figma file and navigating to the page where you want to place the map. Next, open the Actions menu and go to Plugins. In the search bar, type Google Maps and select a Maps plugin from the results. Install it if you haven't used it before. Once the plugin opens, enter the address or location you want to display in your design. After searching for the location, adjust the zoom level and map view until it shows exactly what you need. When you're happy with the map preview, click Insert Map. The map will be added directly to your Figma canvas where you can move, resize, and position it like any other design element. If needed, you can return to the plugin and generate different map views, locations, or zoom levels for your project. Using maps in your mockups is a great way to showcase store locations, contact pages, event venues, or navigation screens in website and app designs. And that's it! You've successfully added a Google Maps location to your Figma design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.